Yeah, hello, my name is Michael. I'm working with Blackbox and we are showing off Radian Flex advanced video wall solution here today at our booth in ISE 2020. So you can come over here and have a look at that. We have the controllers here and you see the screens up there. And we can move around a little bit with this. We can, for example, move this up and down. We can do change a bit on it, like this. Grab the screens on a different angle. We can fill up the screens, move it outside. For example, do like this. Take that out, and then we have the full screen running up here. So, and we have a little panel as well, where we can, for example, clear the wall, then select another setup where you will run that one. We can clear the wall again and use a second one, then it will be a different one, and these can be set up as presets. So yeah, but have a look at our website, and thank you.